Hi, this is Richard with Blackbook Properties, and today we are here touring this exquisite 4-bedroom plus den, 5.5 bath residence in Aria Reserve. Nearly 3,000 square feet of the bayfront living right at the heart of Edgewater. Let's take a look. Here we are at the entrance of Residence 1601 with its own private foyer and elevator entry. From here, the space leads into this great room, which was built for entertaining, a wide open floor plan which flows directly onto the terrace. Because this is a corner residence on the coveted O1 line, considered the best line in Aria Reserve South Tower, floor-to-ceiling windows span the living room and kitchen. With no supertoe directly beside it, the entire space feels remarkably open. 10-foot ceilings and floor-to-ceiling glass keep the space bright all day, and automatic shades let you dial in the light with the touch of a button. This is where it all comes together. Your own private terrace overlooking Biscayne Bay with the Miami Beach skyline in the distance. It's quiet, it's private, and it's minutes from everything Edgewater and downtown have to offer. This is the kind of outdoor space that makes it feel like a home first and a condo second. Imagine mornings out here with this water view right outside your window. The kitchen is sleek and fully equipped for cooking and entertaining. Custom cabinetry, stone countertops, and enough space to prepare delicious meals for your guests while still being part of the conversation. A dining room that comfortably sits 8, a statement chandelier, and finishes like this botanical wall covering make every dinner feel like a special occasion. The primary suite carries the same attention to detail as the rest of the residence. We have a very generous walk-in closet, we have a spa-inspired bathtub, and we have a direct access to the terrace. The residence offers 2 additional bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bath and generous closet space. Every bathroom carries the same spa-level finishes as the primary. Stone-clad vanities, large rain shower heads, and floor-to-ceiling glass, creating a comfortable space for a family and your guests. And this room does double duty. It's a fully functional office by day, but the built-in library wall conceals a Murphy bed that folds away completely. So you've got a private guest suite whenever you need one. Aria Reserve doesn't disappoint outside the residence either. Down on the garden level, Aria Reserve is built for relaxation, with a lounge pool with jacuzzis, plus poolside day beds for the afternoons when you just want to stay put. Not to mention all the thoughtful details spread throughout all the common areas. Up on the roof of the amenity tower, residents get a full sports lineup. Tennis, paddle, and basketball courts with the kind of backdrop you don't get at the normal pickup game. At the Sky Lobby, it's all about wellness and downtime. You have a full-service spa with sauna and steam, an indoor fitness center, a kids playground, a teens room, a co-working space and a business center, and an adults-only lounge with its own outdoor terrace. It's a private club built right into the building you call home. That's all for our tour of this stunning residence at Aria Reserve. For more information on this property or others across Miami, reach out to Blackbook Properties. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.